저는 오늘도 친구 만나러 갑니다. 이번에는 외국 친구여가지고 일단은 가서 한번 물어보고 촬영 괜찮은지 한번 물어보고 찍던지. Okay, we are going to 아시아 음식 먹으러 왔어요. 친구 만나러 왔어요. You wanna say hi? 쌀국수 시킬 거야.
What are you gonna 2020.
잘 먹었습니다. Are we really going to Norman?
If you
Oh
want,
my gosh.
we can go to Norman. It's okay. We can go to Norman if you want.
Or else, or where are we going if we are not going?
We can go. I don't mind.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Is it this one?
Yes. To Norman.
저희 학교로 갑니다. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, we're going to Norman. Norman High.
This place is tastes a lot.
I think we was somewhere here.
Yeah, it's right past the gas station.
Yeah, right? It's there. Oh my gosh, it's there, it's there, it's there, it's
The
there.
sign's still there.
The Thai place is still there.
Yep.
Yeah. To go available, it says.
Yeah.
한식 레스토랑 제가 학교 다닐 때 엄청 많이 가던데요. Like, I can't really see it.
Oh.
But that's called wing it.
We are currently north of Norman for campus.
Yeah.
This is the church.
It's so funny how I was talking to Rahma yesterday and she's like, she was telling me how she can never parallel park. And then she asked me if I could parallel park. I'm like, yeah, I'm so good at it. And I was like, yeah, North Oval was my favorite parking spot. And I'm like, oh my gosh, North Oval.
You're like, wait a second.
Yeah.
North Oval.
Yeah, I was like, wow, I remembered it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I see that building. That's Sarkis.
Yes, Sarkis.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is Boyd North Oval. This is our college. No, not college. University. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, Tea Cafe is still here.
It's still here. It's still here.
여기 still Chipotle.
Diamond Dogs.
Oh my gosh, yes! Diamond Dogs. 여기가 저희 약간 학교 바로 근처에 번화가 같은 곳인데 대박, 아직까지 있는 곳들이 많아요. 대박, 학교로 돌아오다니. 대박, 우리 학교야.
Nostalgia is crazy right now.
What's that?
Nostalgia is going crazy right now.
Nostalgia. Man.
Look at that light building right there. Yep.
That's the Union, right?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Central building everyone goes to.
Yeah. Oklahoma Memorial Union. Let's go. We go in here. Yeah. Is that one you have to go up and down and again?
Yeah.
Why do I remember all these things? Oh my gosh.
It's like you never left.
Yeah.
It's like you never
No. Can we get in though? Like with no ID here?
Oh, wait. No. I think it should be fine. Yeah. I think it's just like after hours.
Oh my gosh. It's just the same, the vibe and the atmosphere.
Whoa.
The whole IT store is gone. Right? This was the whole IT store. That's opening soon. 지금 학기 도중이라 가지고 학생들이 많이 있긴 해요. 대박. Laughing tomato and cheese now. This is the same. Oh my gosh. Maybe back.
Yeah. Study rooms.
I want to go to the library.
Yeah. This week I'm fine.
저희가 24시간 열려 있는 곳이어가지고 야식 먹을 때 맨날 여기 와가지고 썼거든요. 아직 그대로 있어요. 저게 맥앤치즈 맛이 진짜 맛있는데. 맥앤치즈 바이츠는 없어졌나봐요. 여기가 진짜 맛있었는데.
Entrance.
The entrance. Oh my gosh. It says library. Did you know? It says library.
I actually didn't realize that until now.
Until now?
I never saw that. I never looked up.
You're kidding.
I never looked up.
Thank you. Yeah, this is the garden, the canyon garden. 이거 클락타워가 이 시계탑이 여기 밑에 가면은 우리 학교가 졸업 못한다는 전설이 있었거든요. 난 졸업했으니까. I graduated, so I can come on it. 난 졸업했으니까, 쟤도 졸업했으니까. You graduated too, so you can.
Graduated 3 times.
Yeah, I made sure. 4년 안에 졸업하는 거 같은데. It's like you can't graduate in 4 years or was it something like that?
You won't graduate on time.
Yeah, I graduated on time. Yeah, I made sure I never passed underneath that thingy
Yeah.
during my 4 years. But yeah. Ta-da. Dedicated to men and women of Oklahoma who was willingly gave their lives that future generations might enjoy the privilege of freedom. Organized veterans of the University of Oklahoma, 1954. 한국 전쟁 때 참전한 우리 학교 참전 용사들을 기리기 위한 동상입니다. Anyway, campus tour over. Let's go back.
Time to go.
Bye bye. Time to go. 치즈케이크 팩토리. 그래서 맞습니다. 하이. 너 안에 들어갈래?
어?
Hey, I'm gonna give you time to look it over, but can I get y'all started with some drinks first?
Can I start with water, please?
Water?
I'll get water too.
Perfect.
Same water.
Water. Hey, okay, and I'll bring some bread to start with. You guys take your time and look it over.
Thank you.
Thank you. 여기 얼마나 오고 싶었는지. 여기 자주 와? 치즈케이크 팩토리 거의 안 오지?
My last time was like 3 years ago.
It's almost the same as I do.
I think I was here 2 months ago.
진짜? 너는 자주 오나 보네? 쟤는 자주 온대. So you know what you're getting? No? Maybe?
매번 바꿔.
매번 바꿔?
어.
나는 여기 파스타가 너무 좋아. So I'm gonna get some.
Fried mac and cheese good too. Okay, then that's the one.
You know, like today I went to Crossroads and you know they have the best fries. Yeah, I'm in. Okay. Fried mac and cheese 먹자.
그래, 진짜 맛있어. Can we start off with the fried mac and cheese?
Sure can.
And then entree wise, can I get the shrimp scampi?
It's really
I'll do the Louisiana chicken. And I'll do the Cajun jambalaya pasta, please. 지금 완료.
Back at like 10ish. Yeah.
냠냠냠냠냠. 냠냠냠냠냠. 쬐건 아직 안 나왔지롱. 맛있게 나오네. 사진 근데 여기가 늘 라이팅이 안 좋아. Always. That's why it always. Yeah, not so good.
먼저 먹어도 돼.
사진 찍을 건데?
그냥 그렇다고.
이거 줄까?
nice.
이렇게 찍어봐. 오, not bad.
And our skippy.
Thank you.
You guys see anything else to go with it?
I think we're good.
Y'all enjoy?
Thank you.
저것도 맛있겠다. 맛있게 드세요. Like, what the hell? Like in the middle of the road, like
It really is.
there's like the city right over there, and like there's a building right behind, and they're mining oil here, right next to the road.
Right here.
What's that? This is so crazy. Oh, wow.